It's my regular. I'm talking takes for better.
Anyways, it's your girl Breezy, and today we are going to do a wash and go using the Design Essential Honey Curling Custard. This is my first time, so I just want to see what it will do for my hair. My hair is freshly washed, but as you can see, it is drying. But I wanted to do something a little different than what I usually do with my wash and goes. Usually I'll apply the product while it's soaking wet, but I want to apply it to my hair while it's semi-dry and see what it is. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button down below. So let's get into it. I like how it makes the hair very soft. So it's not like hard and crunchy. I love the definition. Very cute. So not only does it curl and define your hair, it also keeps it moisturized, because I can definitely feel the honey up in here. My hands are sticky. For day one hair, I think this turned out very nice. If you want to see what tomorrow's gonna look like, you need to follow me on Instagram. All my information is in the description box. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, click the red button down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Protein treatment with TGIN. This is my first time using this. I love TGIN products, so I wanted to see what it can do for this hair